Hello students, good morning. We have started a new topic in that we are learning about birds. We have seen parts of birds. Also we have seen the feathers, movement of a wings. Now today's period we are going to learn about types of beaks. As we know, birds does not have teeth. They catch and eat insect with the help of their beak. The beaks of birds tells us about the food they eat and how do they get that food. Now first we will see about strong, sharp and hooked beak. Birds like eagle, vulture and kite, they eat small animals like frog and snake. They are called as birds of prey. They have sharp, strong and hooked beak to tear the flesh. Number 2. Short and horny beak. Birds like sparrow, pigeon and peacock, they eat hard nuts, grains and insects. They have short and horny beak to crush hard nuts and seeds. Then next, number 3. Short and curved beak. Parrot has short and curved beak. Parrots eat hard fruits. They break nuts and eat hard foods. Number 4. Strong, heavy and chisel shaped beak. Woodpecker has a strong, heavy and chisel shaped beak. As we know, woodpeckers are making nest on a tree trunk with the help of their beak, or to find their insects which are hidden inside the on a tree trunk. They are making the holes to find the insects and to build their nest in a tree trunk. The next, long and slender beak. Hawk has a long and slender beak. This beak helps it to pull out the insects from their hiding places. Number 6. Broad and flat beak. Birds like duck and goose have broad and flat beak with tiny holes. When they take muddy water with an insect inside it, the muddy water flows out from the tiny holes, leaving behind plants and insects behind it. Now next, long, thin and curved beak. A sunbird has long, thin and curved beak. These kind of beaks help it to suck the nectar from the flower. Nectar means the sweet juice inside the flower. Hummingbird also have long, thin and curved beak. And last, it is short and broad beak. Swallow have a short and broad beak. They eat tiny insects. Their mouth and tongue are very sticky. While flying, they are keeping their mouth open. So whatever flying insects are there, they stuck on their mouth. So what we have learned today? We have learned about different kinds of beaks. Okay? Read the lesson properly. Now I will give you new words. That new words you have to copy in your notebook. Number 1, hooked. Number 2, prey. Number 3, slender. Number 4, horny. Number 5, chisel shaped. Number 6, hoppo. And number 7, swallow. Okay.